Salay, Misamis Oriental demonstrated its readiness for possible earthquakes and tsunami that may occur in the future as a result of this year's concluded fourth quarter nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill and tsunami awareness day. Aside from dock cover and hold, Salay Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council showcased its preparedness to tsunami. OCD Regional Director and RDRRMC Region 10 Chairperson Rosauro Arnel Gonzalez Jr. said that the drill aims to provide safety measures and instill public awareness and calamity preparedness.
So this is about a drill, hindi lang ng dock cover and hold, kundi yung showcase yung capabilities ng ating government responders.
It also aims to demonstrate disaster alertness of the local government and the MDRRMC. Gonzalez explained that there is a need for the public to know that the government is capable of doing emergency response operations during the occurrence of earthquakes. Signaled with the pressing of button, the drill kicked off at Salay National High School as the youth and children could engage multiplier effect, extending awareness to residents, among others. The activity aims to strengthen the interoperability at all levels, from the regional to provincial and local sectors, as well as developing a common operational picture through information sharing during disaster management operations. Highlights this year drill in Northern Mindanao is strengthening incident command system by showcasing government's disaster response capacity through an immediate building of command post, organizing incident management team, and response cluster. Meanwhile, Mayor Angelo Capistrano Jr. commends the president of participating sectors for completing the drill and expresses MDRRMC's willingness to help Salay constituents as well as the entire province of Misamis Oriental and the region. Impact of shakes based on municipal earthquake impact reduction study, rapid damage assessment and needs analysis, camp coordination and management, rescue and retrieval operations, fire suppression, emergency medical response, and management of the dead and missing.
Dock, cover, hold. The municipality of Tubud, Lanao del Norte hosted the Region 10 Second Quarter National Simultaneous Earthquake Drill or NSED. According to Regional Director Rosauro Arnel Q. Gonzalez Jr. of the Office of Civil Defense Region 10 and also the chairperson of the Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or RDRRMC, the Incident Command System or ICS has been executed and followed during its second quarter NSED at the municipality of Tubud, Lanao del Norte on June 21, 2018. ICS is an on-scene incident management mechanism adopted and integrated by the government of the Philippines through its DRRMCs. The ceremonial pressing of alarm buttons by the Mayor of Tubud, Honorable Leoncio C. Bagol, Director Rosauro Arnel Q. Gonzalez Jr., and representatives from AFP, PNP, and BFP for 60 seconds, echoed by sirens and alarms, signaled the start of the drill. At the Rufo de la Cruz Integrated School, Barangay Poblacion, Tubud, where the ceremony and evaluation have been conducted, Mayor Bagol welcomed everyone, saying that this is with the hope to make the people more aware and more prepared for the disasters that might come. Director Gonzalez admitted in the beginning of the program that the municipality of Tubud has been chosen because of the fault lines found in the place. Moreover, according to Gonzalez, the dock cover hold drill will really help develop skills and mindsets of the people what to do during earthquakes. It was also injected and showed during the drill how the government reacted with their disaster management operations and its incident command post as part of the disaster response. The response clusters has also been emphasized during the drill proper with 11 scenarios. This cluster accordingly provide resources and other resources that the community might need. Whatever they need will be provided because of the line connecting the municipality to the province, region, and so on. After the drill has been terminated, the drill evaluators from various government agencies gave its observations and evaluations who have been assigned strategically to different scenarios that involve almost everyone in the barangay.
Si ma'am, layo tayo ma'am, kung di-hike na ito magulit.
Nagpapatik na eh. O di ay.
Ayaw puta. Ayaw puta na ano. Hilak mo na. Larik. Oh.
Okay man, trapper man. Okay, pinikutan na nila.
Yung diri sa chat.
Ng Intensity 8 na pagyanig na nagdulot ng pagkasira ng maraming gusali at malawakang liquefaction at landslide. Ang lakas ng lindol ay nilalarawan sa pamamagitan ng magnitude at intensity. Ang magnitude ay sukat ng enerhiya ng lindol na nagmumula sa pinanggalingan nito sa ilalim ng lupa o focus. Ang intensity ay ang lakas ng lindol batay sa epekto nito sa mga tao, mga bagay, kapaligiran at mga estruktura sa paligid. Batay sa lawak at pinsala, ang ilan sa mga maaaring epekto ng magnitude 7.2 na lindol sa Metro Manila ay ang mga sumusunod. pagkasira at maaaring pagguho ng mga gusali, kabahayan at iba pang istruktura sa tinatayang malawak na lugar sa kabuuang Metro Manila. Ayon sa pag-aaral, tinatayang nasa 31,000 na bilang ng mga tao ang pinangangambahang maaaring mamatay, habang 14,000 naman ang malubhang masasaktan. Higit sa lahat, ang epekto nito sa ekonomiya ay aabot sa mahigit na 2 trilyon.
Tandaan, hindi lang sa Greater Metro Manila maaaring magkaroon ng the big one. Posible ring mangyari ito sa ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas dahil sa mga active faults at trenches na makapagdudulot ng malakas na lindol.
Kailangan nating paghandaan ng malalakas na lindol. Sumali sa mga programa na nagpapataas ng kaalaman tungkol sa paghahanda ng pamilya at ng komunidad.
Siguraduhing matibay ang inyong mga bahay at gusali. Alamin ang tamang pagresponde kapag lumilindol. Ang duck, cover, and hold. Maghanda ng emergency supply kit at sumali sa mga earthquake drill.